Good morning, everyone. It is a great honor to stand before you on this special feast day of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, a day when we come together as a school community to celebrate our values, customs, and traditions. With great pleasure, I introduce to you today Greenhouse, a house that perfectly captures the spirit of positivity, bravery, honesty, courage, wisdom, etc. As we celebrate this feast day, let us remember the values given to us by a great visionary, Saint Ignatius. Please join me in applauding the incredible efforts of my dear friends. Today, let's enjoy a short play on the theme to work for peace and justice.
Tommy, the mic is not working. Give this one. Ma'am, आप ये वाला दे दो.
Hello, hello.
The setting of the play is in a town. Once, there lived a doctor who treated the patients at home. One evening, as usual, he was returning after attending his patients. Suddenly, on the way back to home, a thief appeared from behind the tree.
Yes, today I can rob this doctor. He will definitely had a good amount of money. Doctor, give me all the money you have.
Listen, this money is for buying medicines for patients. Please leave the way.
Do not talk too much. Give me whatever you have. Now you can go. Ha ha ha. Today I will have a nice dinner.
The thief attacked the doctor and robbed him. The doctor, without saying a word, went his way. The same night, after dinner, the thief was walking back to his home.
Ah, something has bitten me. What is that? Oh, somebody please help me. A snake has bitten me. Help, help.
The thief bent
It's
down
paining.
and saw a snake.
Help,
He goes crying for help.
help.
Suddenly,
Somebody please
he
help
felt
me.
somebody treating him. It was
It's
the doctor.
paining. Ah, it's paining.
Don't talk. I have given you the first aid. Come to my clinic for the treatment.
I am sorry, really sorry. I have heard you only few hours ago, but you are treating me. Are you not angry with me?
I do not like fighting. I am a person who prefers to live in peace, so I am not angry with you.
I realize my mistake, doctor. I would like to live a new life. Please help me.
Then you are ready to take a job?
Yes, doctor. Any job I will ready to do.
Then why don't you take care of my clinic?
I will, doctor. From tomorrow, I come.
I will wait for you.
This act of peace changed a thief to a normal person. Peace is about creating harmony and avoiding conflict. We should always believe in the importance of peace and justice. Justice ensures fairness. Sometimes justice can disrupt peace, and maintaining peace can mean compromising on justice. Confused? Let's witness a short act explaining the meaning of justice.
Daddy, this sandwich is yummy.
Yes, I agree. But why this sad look, dear?
Yesterday, the last time we went out and I saw Amy sitting at the edge of the road crying. She looked lost. Do you feel she ran away from home?
Sadly, that may be the case, or even the worst. I'll tell you a story.
Is it a sad story?
No, started sad but have happy ending. A girl named Sophia was brought to America by one of her aunts after promising her parents. Her aunt would send her to school, but instead of sending her to school, she makes Sophia work in the house whole day. Cleaning, washing, cleaning clothes, and even hawking on the streets. Sophia would deal with these works every day. But her aunt never showed love to her. She would beat up Sophia and Sophia would cry whole night.
Dad, why didn't anyone help Sophia?
Someone, eventually a neighbor, reported Sophia's aunt after hearing daily strains to a social agency. And a public defender took up the case. Sophia's aunt was arrested and Sophia was taken to social care and enrolled in school. Now Sophia is in the top of her class.
That's great to hear, Dad.
That's why we need strong institutions to defend those who are defenseless, and both children and adults have access to justice. We should have peace, justice in our society to make sure the younger in our society are protected.
Yes, Dad, and now I understand what justice means.
That's great, dear.
When my mind is like a battlefield and my heart is overcome by fear, and hope seems like a ship that's lost at sea. My enemies on every side, and I'm tempted to run and hide. Your gentle whisper reaches out to me. You're the God who's never far. So I will not be afraid. God, you always keep me safe in your arms. I remember who you are.
True peace is not merely the absence of war, it is the presence of justice.
Without justice and love, peace will always be a great illusion.
So, let's all live together in peace and justice. Peace without justice is fragile, while justice without peace can be destructive. They must go hand in hand. It is possible with joint efforts and cooperation. Together, we can create a community where peace and justice thrive. That's why we are here today to learn and work for peace and justice. We are ready to be a part of this journey. Are you? Yes. Thank you.